Hey everybody, welcome back to the Fox Shop. First things first, I do want to let everybody know that this new shirt design is up and available. Link will be down in the description and on the end screen. Right now I've got t-shirts and hoodies. Might make a sticker on that and some zipper hoodies and that kind of thing too. But right now, that's what I've got. So if you're interested in that, check that out. And also just right off the bat, I want to give a shout out to Central Oregon Shenanigans, James over there. He's got some stuff going on. So you might want to hop over there and see what's happening. I believe he is, he's getting a new rig and getting rid of one. So link for Central Oregon Shenanigans will be down in the description. He'll have a button on the end screen as well. Also check out Zane over at Hodgepodge Dodge Garage. He's always got stuff going on. He's trying to get some traction here on YouTube, and myself and James are trying to give him a helping hand. So hop over there if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. Do that on Central Oregon Shenanigans as well. The heaters are turning on. Hit the subscribe button on my channel as well, along with that notification bell. That way you always know when I upload a video. All right, got the heater shut off, and being that it's 32 degrees, doesn't take a whole lot to keep it warm in here. Can't wait to get that guy going. I'm just waiting on my tank to be delivered. But with the weather we've been having, they probably don't want to do that. It has been pretty cold, and there's a bunch of snow out there on that side of the shop. But if they told me that they were going to bring me a tank, I would get it cleared out. So, I don't know. Tomorrow, hopefully next week, that will be up and running. But the issue I'm having right now, this heater, which I just got last year, is it won't light. It's just spitting out fuel out the front. Not sure if you can see that or not. Maybe that'll help. It's all wet down in there, and that one's going to turn back on. So hold on. So anyway, it was running fine here a little bit ago. In fact, it was running really good. I adjusted the pressure. I took a pressure gauge and put it back here in that port down there, and the pressure is supposed to be 6.8 psi, and of course on a gauge like this you can't get 6.8, but I had it right at about 7. Running good. The front of it was glowing red like it should, and everything was fine. And then I took the gauge off, put the plug back in, filled it full of fuel, went to light it, and this is what I got. All it wants to do is spit fuel out the front. So I was going to take that plug out. Let me get a light for you. I was going to take that plug back out, and when I did, this takes a screwdriver. When I did, half of it just broke off. And maybe I could get that out of there with a pair of pliers or something, but pretty sure I have the pressure set right where it should be, and there's fuel coming out the front. So it's getting fuel, however, it doesn't seem to be getting spark to ignite it. So I'm gonna take the cover off of this thing and see what's going on. So pretty simple to get the cover off. Just take out all these screws. And we'll see what we have going on in here. So the igniter on this bad boy is right there. I don't know how much you can see, but right down it, I think that's too bright. Let me get a different light. All right, got a little light here that's not quite so bright, but right down in there is where the igniter is. I'm gonna try cleaning those off, and I'm gonna leave the cover off. Try firing it up and see if there's any spark across there. And I've just got a wire brush, which I don't think is going to fit down in there. Let me get something else. Well, I don't have a wire brush that'll fit down in there, but I'm going to try kicking it on and seeing if it's sparking at all, which I don't think it is. Alright, got that guy unplugged. We got power to this one. So let's see what's going on here. Let's see, where's the igniter? There it is. sparking, so I must not be getting enough fuel or too much, which I don't get because I had the pressure set right. So let me see what I can come up with here. Well, for crying out loud, that was pretty simple. I did this before. I came back and I adjusted the pressure up. I turned that screw one turn and it still didn't work. So I turned it a turn and a half and now it fires up. And I will demonstrate that right now. So I guess we're good to go. I shouldn't have shut it off so soon. There was a lot of fuel in the front of that thing. Ugh. Okay, well, might need to turn the fan on and get it cleared out of here. I'm gonna put the cover back on this and light her up and get all that unburnt fuel gone. It's getting a little foggy in here. Last night I think I had the pressure turned up too high on this thing, and it'd quit running and just fill this place with smoke. And the old carbon monoxide detector over there, it was showing about, I think it was up into the 70s. Yeah, it was pretty bad. So anyway, like I said, I'm gonna put the cover back on this and get things warmed up in here. All right, so I got the cover back on here. Let's fire her up and see how she runs. So far, so good. I don't know what the pressure is, but yeah, we're throwing some flames. Probably that unburnt fuel kind of playing around in there. Well, I adjusted the pressure up just a little bit more, and everything seems to be running okay now. Not sure how much of that you can see. Let's see. Nice to get both these guys going because it'll heat it up in here real quick, but I'm ready to get rid of these guys and get that going. Actually, what I'm thinking is once I get this up and running, might be selling that guy and just keeping this one to either as a backup, or if it's really cold, get it heated up down here with that running and with that running. But I don't think I'm gonna need two of these guys going. So anyway, well guys, it is next day. I got called up to the house last night. I didn't come back down here. Got the whole crew down here today. This heater seems to be running fine, so I guess my fuel pressure was it was a little too low. I turned it up a while back, last fall. And because the nose cone just wasn't glowing red. That seemed to fix it, but now it wants to be turned back down. So anyway, it's running just fine. And I'm getting kind of tired of this. It's more snow, more snow. We're not supposed to get a lot. It's just gonna do this kind of crud for today and tomorrow anyway. I'm ready to see some sunshine again. This thing's been running fine. So got that all taken care of. And going to be making yet another video for the barbecue channel here later on this afternoon. And if you want to see what that is, you're going to have to tune in over there. That video will be out probably in a couple of days. And the link for said channel, like I said before, it'll be down below. And a button on the end screen. There's also a button on the end screen for shirts. There's several different designs. This is the newest one. And channel stickers. So if you're interested in any of that kind of stuff, links down in the description and button on the end screen. And don't forget, check out Central Oregon Shenanigans. Like I said, James has, he's got something going on over there. Be a link for his channel and Zane's channel, Hodgepodge Dodge Garage. Be a link for both those channels down in the description. Anyway guys, I know, wasn't doing any vehicular work in this video. Just trying to get my darn heater going. But give it a thumbs up anyway, comments say go down below, hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell, that way you always know when I upload a video, and we'll catch you next time, guys. Bye-bye.